So you recorded a video in OBS Studio, but when you played it back, the video is frozen, lagging or skipping while the audio is still running perfectly. This is one of the most frustrating OBS problems, especially on low-end PCs. In this video, I am going to show you exactly why this happens and how to fix it permanently in under a few minutes. Let's start with the most important fix inside OBS itself, the output settings. First, open OBS Studios, go into settings, then click output. And under the recording tab, check your encoder first, which means if you are using software encoding like X264, that might be too heavy for your system. So if you have an option for hardware encoding like H.264 or NVENC, switch to that instead. Like for me, I use the H.264 encoding software while recording my videos. It reduces CPU usage and prevents OBS from struggling while recording. Next, let's fix your video settings, because this is another major cause of freezing. So you are going to open your OBS settings again, go to the video tab, open it, set your base resolution to what your screen can handle. So normally, base resolution can be set at 1920 by 1080, which is generally used by most PC. But most importantly, reduce your output resolution to 1280 by 720 if you are using a low-end PC. Also, make sure your FPS is set to 30 instead of 60. Higher FPS looks smoother, but it can overload weaker system and cause exactly the freezing you are seeing. And when you are done, go to apply, select apply, and after that, click on OK to make sure these settings are saved on your OBS Studio. So we are not going to just stop there. We are going to talk about our computer itself. OBS doesn't work alone. It depends on your CPU, your RAM, and your GPU usage. So if too many things are running in the background, your recording will suffer. That is why you have to use the memory dot tool to always clean up your CPU and your RAM usage. It is very easy to use. You just click on clean memory, select it, clean it again, and make sure you wipe every unnecessary application and file running in the background of your system without you knowing. This alone can give you enough space and can help your OBS Studio perform very well. Then after that, close anything you don't need while recording. Example, your browsers with many tabs, your games, application, or any other heavy software that you don't need while recording. Make sure all of them are closed when you are trying to record with OBS. The goal is to give OBS enough breathing space so that it can record smoothly. And one final thing many people ignore is the storage speed. If you are recording on a slow drive or a newly full disk, OBS can start skipping frames or freezing your recording. So if possible, record on a fast driver like an SSD, and always make sure you have enough free space on your system before you start recording any project. And that is it. If you apply these settings, your OBS recording should stop freezing and your videos will be smooth and stable again. If this helped you, make sure to subscribe to Dockay Hub for more Windows and creators tutorials. I will keep showing you how to fix common problems and improve your setup step by step, even on low-end PC. See you all in the next video.